So here we'll see a program for nested structure. We have defined at the beginning a structure with name DOJ. Some name we are given for short form for date of joining. It has 3 members, DMY, 3 integer members. So in all 6 bytes of memory. Then struct employee we have defined with int id, name as a char array, and dt as a type of DOJ, which is nothing but a structure. So there will be id 2 bytes, name 40 bytes, and dt 6 bytes, which itself has 3 members, DMY. Now we'll be using employee structure in our program for data input output because DOJ is going to be nested inside the employee structure. Now to begin with, you have defined an employee structure variable E. So E is of type structure employee. So it has 3 members, ID, name, DOJ. Now to input data, we have done first enter employee ID. The syntax is e.id. Then to input a name, we have done gets e.name. And then to input day month here into date structure, we have done e.dt.d, then e.dt.m and e.dt.y. So this much is the input of our program. Now here, while doing the input, we have done some statement over there, f flush std in. Now that is to clear the input buffer. Now we'll not go into details of that. Just remember that whenever you do multiple inputs in your program, especially character variables or string variables, if the program is not working properly, we should put that command just before the input of string. For example, just before gets command, I put the command f flush std in. So whenever there is an input of char or string, and if it's generating a problem, just put this statement everywhere. Then we have given the output employee data. This will be shown as a heading at the top, and then we are going to show employee ID as e.id, then employee name as e.name, and to output date of joining, we have done e.dt.d, e.dt.m and e.dt.y. Now here you can see in the output we have put just slashes over here between %d. This will be output like date. For example, if the date was 2/5/2015, so output will be 2/5/2015. So slashes will be just to output the 3 numbers in the form of date. Now let's see the entire program working. Yeah, we run the program. It runs inputs for employee ID. Let's put some number 234. Press enter. Enter name. I am putting some name. Let's say A B C D E. Press enter. Then date of joining. You have to input 3 integers. So I'll put, let's say, 24 space 3 space 2010. Yeah, so it will be 24th March 2010. Press enter. Now it will show the outputs. Yeah, so it first shows the heading employee data with that dash dash dash, and then employee ID as 234, name as ABCD, and date of joining as 24/3/2010. So that is what a nested structure is. So to define a nested structure, we need to define the small structure first, and then the big structure which will hold the other structure. And then to use the structure members, we have to use the typical syntax. For normal structure members, we'll use structure name dot member name. To work with the nested structure, we'll use structure name dot nested structure name dot member name. Thank you.